Ndigni mong'ere kaka loop safari cycling ochomo Machakos giko dirani maloyo joriemb ndigni 250 osendikore ne piem makamano. Jata tije mochung' ne piem makamano Eric Murioki be wacho ni piem madhi Machakos no dhi konyo nyaka rowere manigi talanta mondo med dongruok e weche mag riembo ndigni kod tuke mamoko. Director mar Amani Project Hanifa Said bende olero ni ikruok ni piem makamano ochopo okang' mamalo.
Hey, Eric here. Just finished the 60 km. Very, very enjoyable. You should have been out there. Big thanks to the organizers, everyone who's come in and made this thing so much fun. This was a proper gravel ride. I really, really enjoyed myself. Thanks.
And yeah, rider for Team Amani. And yeah, I'm really happy to be here in Tattoo City. So yeah, the race started off quite well. And so I can say we had a good ride. It was a really fast course, but yeah, I think it was a well-organized event, and I think yeah, everything went to plan for us as a team, and yeah,